Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy A9 2018, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data. And from the Google Play Store you have to download this kind of the application. I did it and I recommend you to get this application, CLONEit. If you download, just open it on the both smartphones and tap Sender on Android smartphone and Receiver on your Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. Click search again. Now we have to wait until Samsung find Android device, and here it is, Android share 8295. So click on this icon. We have two ways to connect. We can input the password. If you are looking for the password, it is here, and also we can scan the QR code with our camera. So let me just scan the QR code. It's much faster. Okay. And right now we have to accept the request on our Android smartphone. Tap on the OK. And if you want to take everything, just click on these icons and tap Start. But I'm gonna unselect it because I want only maybe one or two files, because this is only example. So I'm going to take maybe this League of Legends Rise song and the circles from the Post Malone. Let's tap on the Start, and it's finished, as you can see. I hope that I'll help you. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.